I would hate hearing people saying, oh, she's with you, working on the company just because she's the wife. If she wasn't the person who she is by herself as an individual, I wouldn't have her working with me as my partner. So not everybody has to work with their spouse.
Nope.
Let me get that out there first.
We set this up like 10 years ago.
Yeah, we already kind of knew that we wanted to work with each other because when we met, she was very business savvy. I've always been very like independently aggressive when it came to like my entrepreneurship. So we just kind of like worked, and she found out that I was a hairstylist. She was like, she does PR and marketing, so she was like, I could market that all day. So I was like, let's do it then, market me then. So she put me in a couple magazines, and it kind of like it sparked this relationship. Like, okay, she can help brand me better, and I have the artistic side, as well as knowing my knowledge from my import and exports from my dad. It just worked, like it just kind of clicked.
Don't force it if it don't work.
Don't force. That's like probably the biggest thing. I know a lot of people that want to work with their spouse, but don't force it, man. Do not. That's probably the biggest advice is if you find somebody and you all click on the business mindset, and you can see potential growth in each other, then I say do it. But if you know that somebody's over there, they're doing their thing, and you're doing yours, it's okay to have two
Separate
completely
things
different things going on. Just support each other. At the end of it, just support each other what they want to do.